Welcome to Smokepot and Balance Kitchen once again. You're here with your boy Smokepot. Well, today is the day we'll be doing something a little different. We're gonna be doing some curry crab and also some peppered crab. As you saw earlier, we did a crab hunting last night in the parish of Westmoreland.
Caesar, one more uncle. Take him up, uncle. Take him up.
No,
I'm taking him up here. Wait, uncle, let me take him up here.
Alright.
Him now, it can't hurt us still, you know. He must squeeze the finger, you know. I try left hand to give me him. Hold him. He must squeeze, you know what? At the end of the day, I mean I gloves, but he must squeeze him, I can feel it.
The gloves are not good. At least I'm me finding. Finding next one.
Yeah. Where the bag there? I put him in the bag. Bag there far. What mark the bag there? OPEN the bag. Where is the bag? My make all of the merchandise then get away. Get away, my uncle just catch this one. Oh. Auntie V don't catch none from night. Auntie V is afraid. Auntie V is afraid. We're gonna boil you down. Peter. No far uncle go for that one, yeah?
Yo, Smokepot.
Smokepot out here.
Smokepot up on the crab bush, you know. Smokepot from Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. Now the crab bush. See? Down in Jamaica, Westmoreland. Catching some crab. Having the experience that I never had. You know? Very good. This is just one of the many to show you the big bag. Alright, so go through the bush.
Alright, man.
Still looking for more crabs. So they're hiding beneath the bushes.
Yeah, you know, curry crab.
You don't buy through that tip gloves.
No, man, watch out at that. No.
You don't go through it.
You just don't even be afraid. Don't even be afraid. Watch you know. Barely step on him because you don't want to crush him.
Listen to me.
And then take him up.
If I'm alone, him on a roadway.
Two of them I catch, you know.
You good?
One alone missing because let's
see my man.
So one put a glove in your pocket. That was funny.
You don't know what that shit I do.
Whoa!
Look there.
It was real fun.
What that, Daddy Ro?
I said, boy, I think we can't get you.
Daddy Ro! No, you do it, you know. See it, you know. Oh, we out there, you know. We and Daddy Ro with a crab bush. Auntie, you know. See me have one, catch that one now.
Come catch your one and roll. Catch your one there.
Catch that one now. See one now.
Look in your bag, look in your bag.
See bag here, you know. Crab bush there. Is it? Mad move with there. Mad move, uncle. The auntie be ready. We outside. Crab bush with there. In the west side.
And we got quite a few crabs as you can see right here. So now we're going through the process of cleaning them up. But as you can see in this barrel, we have a massive amount of crab. We have some sea crabs and we have different colors. You can see some ready one, some brown one, some purple one. Over here you see some more. And as you see, the crabs are ready to come and fight with you. So Smokepot and Balance gonna do something we've never done before. I've never cooked crab before. And now my crew is gonna be tasting and let me know what it tastes like. They recommend some curry crab and we went hunting for them. So we're gonna do curry crab and some jerk peppered crab. So see you in a bit, people. Yes guys, so the first process right now with this curry and pepper shrimp crab that I'll be doing is, as you can see here, I have a nice amount of scallion, some real hot Scotchman and pepper, as you can see a lot. I have a lot of garlic, I have a lot of thyme, and I also have some ginger. That's my first step in doing what I'm doing. As we continue, as you can see, we continue to clean them up, you know, real nicely. You know, we put a little bit of cleaning agent, a little bit, just a little in the water, and then we scrub them thoroughly because some is land crab and some is also sea crab. Alright, so we continue with this process. But guys, remember, Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. Remember, subscribe, share, and like. I'm doing all of this for you. I'm in Jamaica. Right now I'm in Kingston. I went and got the crabs from Westmoreland, Little Land, and I'm back. Let me big up Danet, the professional crab catcher. She let us look like fool. She was just running up and down. I have a little clip, but not too much of it. But big up Danet from down Little London side. Big up Captain Bird also. And big up Jackie. And big up Cadla, because that was the crew and myself. So we're gonna keep it moving. Big up. And big up Suki. Suki was there. He catch mad amount of crab. I can never right here, Suki. Yeah. That's the crab, man. Look up in the video and big them up.
We are
see? So we're gonna get it bubbling and then get back to you in a minute. Alright, big up. Yeah. Alright guys, as we continue, you know, I just added the scallion thyme, some pimento seed, garlic, ginger, and Scotch bonnet pepper. So now I'll be adding some powder seasoning so that we can get the sauce, you know, all boiled and ready for the crabs. We still be cleaning crabs because we have maybe over three dozen crab right here with us. So I'm gonna add some special Maggi seasoning right here. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna get this to a very, very nice sauce. So then I know that the crab will be taking that taste. For the crab, you definitely need this sauce that I'm making to be a bit salty, so that it actually, the crab will absorb that flavor much better. So I had 3 packs of that. I'm gonna put some adobe just the same. I know I work with my special thing. Then I'm gonna add some black pepper, right? And then I'm gonna add some salt, a decent amount. Alrighty. And then as soon as we get this boiling properly, then our crabs will be taken a bath, alright? Yeah, I might be adding a few more hot pepper, depends on how it tastes when I finish have it boiling. Alright. Yeah, well guys, I just came up with an idea, so I added some coconut cream. It just came to my mind, as you guys know, that I just create whatever comes to my mind. I taste it, the flavor is good. I also added some additional vinegar because that will cut the rawness from the crabs, alright? So now is the time for these crabs to take a little bath. For those who don't like to see certain things, you can turn your face away. But now is the time for the crabs to get a nice little bath inside of this nice sauce that I've created. So as you can see, it's boiling, looking real nice, smelling very well. And he won't feel much pain. So you slowly and you drop him down, right? You don't drop him from too high. You place him down in the water like that. All right? I know Karen is gonna drop. She's been helping me a lot. And all of my peoples here. We're doing all of these crabs right now. We're gonna continue to put the crabs inside. Right? And it's gonna be a feast tonight in Seabright. And I'm telling you guys, you can smell right now what's going on. It's beautiful. You know, for those people who don't eat crabs, like myself, I'm not a crab eater, but I cook whatever my peoples want. So we're just doing our thing right now. And we have about 3 dozen crab right now. Close it again, and then let them settle down. Close it and let them settle down. As you can see, the guys can't control the fuel of the crabs. The crab's running all over the place. And he's running after the crab, and oh, he got that one. This is fun, yo. Guys, it's my first time doing anything with crab. So I hunted, I got crab, and now I'm trying to, and these crabs are, see, my neighbor finger is almost off. You wanna cry? But it's fun. Next we're gonna be going bird hunting and more stuff. But we're gonna be tasting after about half an hour or so. I'll have this boil. And then we're gonna go on to some tasting, not me, because I don't eat crabs. And then we let you guys know what's going on, all right? So far so good. We're trying to get you a view until we have most of the crabs inside there. So yeah man, add more crab in it, man. Yeah man, add more crab in it, add more crab. Add more crab in it.
All of them can't anymore.
You only can have 30.
As you see, look at this big fat one now running out of the bucket. And they hold him. It took 3 men to hold one little crab. But look at that claw. Damn. Damn.
Wait.
You have to drop him down in the
What's your hand?
pot full. You drop him down. Push him down, push him down.
Push
him down, Sophie. Alright, let me get this spoon.
Not enough for
Not enough. Alright, put a little stir on him. Yes guys, well my crab has been cooking for a little over an half an hour. I know usually the timing is a little less, but as you can see, this big old pot with about 3 dozen crab, you gotta give it a little more time for it to soak and marinate properly. So now is the time we've been waiting for, and we're gonna be getting this taste test. As I told you guys, I ain't got no problem when people eat crab, but I've never had crab before. I'm not ready today. But my very lovely friends and family members are here with me, and they're gonna dive down into this crab right now. And they'll be able to tell you guys exactly what it's like. I wanna make sure I get with some claws on them. So here Karen get her first one, and she'll let you guys know what's going on with it. I definitely want claws on them. So let me find the next one with that claw. So one with that claw, yeah. All right, here we go. One of the biggest professional. I want him to tell you guys if the sauce is any good also, because he's a professional crab eater. All right, so let me give one here to my nephew.
We don't play with shell food, okay?
Yeah, so as you know, it's my first time trying this thing, and we'll get to hear what it tastes like. All right, so
Let me get some more of a
there we
sauce.
go. All right. Suki, what you say now? You want some more sauce or something?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. And tell me what the flavor profile is like. And then, because later on I'll be doing some curry crab. But this is where we at. Taste
Okay, so
Suki, she's
usually-
waiting on you. She wants to see.
I will start my crab eating at all time. I always go for the big claw first, because I don't want anybody to come and beg. Okay, so I always go for the big claw first. Kind of a little bit hot, but
Ooh, part of the game. Well, the flavor basically I can
see that
smell
nice
it from
chunky
here.
meat at the end right there? Wow. Hold on there. And a little bit hot.
As you see guys, it's coming right off the pot, so it's extremely hot. So give them a minute to enjoy, cool it and enjoy it. Hopefully I got it right on point. But as I tell you guys, this is my first time trying the crab. So I'm waiting for the expert critique right here, because as I keep telling you guys, I want good comment, bad comment. That's the only way I'm gonna go. So, you know, let them digest a little bit and tell us. Karen is about to take her first taste. Just taste it and let us know what it's like. Here's the camera, you gotta tell her, not me.
Thumbs up. It's good. Good, good, good.
I'm feeling a bit nice right now, but let me hear the other two judges' critiques. You know, what they think about my first time.
Yeah, properly boiled. Soft meat.
And how is the flavor?
The flavor is right.
Alright. Nice.
Yeah.
So for you guys who did not see from the beginning, I know I did some things that were not really traditional in terms of what I added to the crab, but that's my unique way of cooking. And I added some coconut cream. I also added a little vinegar that is gonna cut some of the rawness from it. And then you did not see me, but I also added some katsu. So as I went along, I kept building the flavor until I think it was where I wanted it to be. So as I'm saying, hopefully it's good. And when you try it using my recipe, you might find something beautiful. So guys, once again, you know this is Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen. You know that all I do, I travel and I cook for everyone. And I want you to leave your comment down in the bottom. Well, as you can see, my peoples gave me the thumbs up, but I'm just here enjoying them eating the crab. And as you can see, they're going hard.
Okay, so my review now. Eggs, properly boiled, not overcooked, which is right. Look, coming out firm. Good.
Yeah. This means juicy crab. And it's properly boiled.
Crab is nice.
The flavor is just right. It's been a long time I haven't had crab. Tastes real good like this. Real flavored.
Oh.
Yeah. If you want to get real crab like this, you gotta shop balance. Smokepot. Smokepot balance. Yeah. Real flavor.
Right now, I wish I was eating some of the crabs the way they
Uncle,
enjoy
line up
it.
one more one for me.
All right, boss. All right.
She in a land crab. Any other season.
My youth, son.
How much crab in there?
Then that's why I tell, that's why I make sure I clear.
Curry.
That's why I freeze some.
Freeze some and they curry.
So here we know. We can't give you as much as you feel like.
Give me two.
So you get something now, we'll give you two. Well, I don't give you something now, you can't put in your hand. You don't want nobody to matter. Get me like.
Guys, I want you to take a close-up. Take a close-up of what's been going on over here. We ain't playing no games, man. Make sure you go to Smokepot and look at the recipe, the real G. Look at the recipe, work with it. And then you're gonna know if this is true or this is lie. We ain't making crap up. We don't edit and take things out. This is the real deal. Alright? Real pepper crab. And as I'm saying, we're gonna do some curry crab and see how it works out. Alright, but at the same time, subscribe, share, like. Remember, subscribe, share, like. Peace out, one love.